Welcome back. This is the part 2 of the topic we are treating on how to make daily income on Binance P2P. If this is your first time of watching this video, kindly go and watch the part 1. Now, for those who have been following up with the part 1, this is part 2. In today's video, we are going to be looking at understanding the interface of Binance P2P. So if this is your first time of coming to this channel, kindly subscribe. Make sure you like this video and turn on the notification bell. So whenever I drop any valuable content, you will be notified. So let's proceed.
Understanding the interface of P2P trading. Now, when you log into your Binance, how do you get your P2P wallet? You click on wallets, you scroll to P2P, and you click the buy option. Now, understand that this transfer means when you have purchased your coin and you want to transfer to your spot wallet, you use transfer. And you send this, and you click on the BNB or whatever fund you want to transfer to your spot wallet, and you transfer. Now, when you want to send directly from your P2P wallet to someone else's P2P wallet that is using Binance, you use the send, and you input the person's email address. The person will immediately receive the fund to his same P2P wallet. Now, when you want to trade, you click on buy. This is just understanding the interface. This is USDT page. This is the buy. The buy means you want to purchase. Now, this is the sell page on same USDT. This means you want to sell. You want to sell a fund. Are you getting it? Now, this is the BTC page. BTC page. This is on the sell and this is on the buy. The buy means you are buying, and the sell means you are selling. Are you getting it? Now, this is a BUSD. The same thing goes for the BUSD. The same thing goes for the BNB. The same thing goes for Ethereum. The same thing goes for Nigeria token. The same goes for DAI. Now, for instance, I'm using BNB. This is the sell option. This is the buy option, and this is the sell option. Now, first of all, before you begin to trade, you need to understand something about this P2P page. Now, this is your profile. In your profile, you switch to order mode. This will be more explained when we start teaching you how to trade. And I start teaching you how to trade. But when you start learning how to trade, you switch to your order mode. This will be where your ads will be, where you begin to create your ads. This is the ad page. This is your order page where you will get to see orders, your pending orders, your completed orders. This is where you get to see it. This is where you get to see them. Yeah. Then this is the home. This is the home where you get to see all the ads, both yours and other people's own. This is where you get to see it. This is just understanding the interface. I have not gotten to how to trade yet. This is how you do to understand the interface. As I said, this is when you want to start trading, you have to switch to order mode. I've explained that when you are teaching the how to trade. This is just understanding the interface. Then this is where your ads will be showing, where you've created your ads. Then this is your orders. When you start to get orders, this is where it will always be reflected, and this is for the home page. Okay, so this is understand the interface. I believe this is everything you need to know for now on understanding the interface. Then we'll move on to the how to trade.